After the events of Boruto manga chapter 54, it's almost 100% certain that Sasuke Uchiha has lost his Rinnegan in the battle against Boroshiki. But the question is, what's next for him? So hello and welcome to Underwise Z, my name is Soham and today we are going to talk about the situation surrounding Sasuke Uchiha and what is exactly stored for him next in the series. But before that, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing to our channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content along with Boruto manga reviews. With that being said, let's begin the video, and of course a mandatory manga spoiler warning for all the anime only viewers. Now, because of the circumstances of Boruto manga chapter 54, Sasuke Uchiha did not really had the time or chakra reserved in order to do the Izanagi to get back his left Rinnegan. Because at that moment, survival was the most important part, because without them being able to survive and take down Boroshiki at that moment, he would have possibly fled the scene and went back to Konoha and had his own rampage. Thus, in order to stop that particular thing from happening, Sasuke utilized every bit of his remaining stamina in order to fight out with Boroshiki. That is the major reason why he could not have the time or opportunity to get back his Rinnegan. Even though that Rinnegan was very important for him, especially because of the space-time based ninjutsu, but still the price here was very high because the safety of the Konoha village and the entire world was at stake at this moment. So that is the major reason why all of this happened. But the question now is, what is exactly in store for him next? Where will the character of Sasuke Uchiha go from here on? Now, of course, I had made a couple of theories in this particular regard in the prior chapter as well. I and a lot of other people had speculated the fact that probably he's going to use the Izanagi to get back his Rinnegan, but that is of course not happening here. But my second prediction was that now that he has finally had his redemption, he should probably go and get back his arm using the Hashirama cells at hand. And after the events of Boruto manga chapter 54, I really think and I really hope that this is actually going to be the case moving forward. Because Sasuke has done a lot for his sins, and now is probably the right time to get all the power at his disposal, because a very big threat is imminent in the near future. And for that to happen, he needs to prepare, because currently he has lost his biggest weapon in the form of the Rinnegan. Now, of course, Sasuke has lot more jutsus at his disposal, and it was not just the Rinnegan, but still the powers of Rinnegan were very huge, and he definitely has to do something in order to compensate for that. Now, my biggest theory stands here with the fact that something in relation to the Hashirama cells will definitely take place here. Now here I think that the Hashirama cells will obviously be used to get back his arm, but along with that I think the Hashirama cells will also provide help for his eye as well. I really do not think that his left Rinnegan will be quote unquote healed. Maybe he will get a normal pair of eye, but I think something big is about to happen with his right eyes, his right Eternal Mangekyo Sharingan, because that has the capability to evolve into a Rinnegan. Sasuke obviously has everything in order to make that eye into a Rinnegan. He has the Hashirama cells at hand, and he also has the help of Naruto. Although the situation with Naruto is a bit tricky after this particular chapter, I really do not think that Naruto is actually dead. I'm of course going to make a separate video, a separate discussion video in that particular matter, so stay tuned for that as well. But I really think that everything that is necessary for this eye to happen is already available and is already at disposal for Sasuke, so a right Rinnegan is very much possible. That will also give rise to new sets of powers for Sasuke, something which will aid him in the future upcoming battles as well. And if at all Naruto is left in a comatose state, then I think that the help of Sasuke will be very essential for the Konoha village. And moving forward, I'm going to say that Sasuke will probably take Boruto out of the Konoha village in order to keep him at harm's way. And we might get a training arc, something akin to Jiraiya and Naruto. Maybe at this moment Sasuke will try to train Boruto in order to maintain his consciousness and basically try to help him in order to exploit the weakness of Momoshiki that has come up in this particular chapter, that is the chakra loss and chakra weakness. If at all Boruto manages to regain his consciousness even after utilizing the powers of Momoshiki, then that would be a very huge power boost for him. And I really think that the training of Sasuke will be very essential here. So I can obviously think of a scenario where the character of Sasuke will lead into a training arc with Boruto, and along with that something in relation to Naruto will obviously take place. Now I'm not saying that the Retsuden novels will take place here as well, but I think Sasuke will also help in order for Naruto to regain his consciousness. But these were some of my theories and thoughts in this particular regard. What do you guys think about all of this? Where do you think that the character of Sasuke is going to move forward from here on? He has obviously survived the fight against Ishiki Otsutsuki, but do you think that the death flags for Sasuke are still in place? What do you guys think about all of this? Please mention your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's it for today guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more. This is Wonderwise and I'll see you soon in the next video.